Wait, that's Jason. It says.
Yeah, oh, it's okay. Jason, he can read it. It's a name. It's all right. Jason made a 3-minute call.
Call to Area 3. How much did the call cost?
All right, so take a look at your papers. He made a 3-minute call. Is that right? 3-minute call to Area 3. So first we have to find Area 3. We have to find Area 3. Put your finger on Area 3. Where's Area 3? Okay. We've got 2 columns. It says the first minute and then additional minutes. So how much does the first minute of a call cost in Area 3? Raise your hand when you know. Raise your hand when you know. Raise your hand when you know. Elena, how much does the first minute cost if you're in Area 3?
6.
Cost 6 penguins? 6 cents. So we have 6 cents. But did he only call for 1 minute?
No.
No, he didn't call for 1 minute. He called for
3 minutes.
Okay, so look at the next part. It says additional minutes. That means each extra minute is going to cost 3 cents. What do we know about that word each? What do we know about that word each, Jackson?
It means you have to time.
You have to times, you have to multiply. So if 1 minute has gone by, how many more minutes does he have left? He called for 3 minutes. Does that mean he made 3 extra minutes? No, he used up 1 minute, so how many minutes does he have left? Jackson?
2.
2. So what is 2 3 times? Or we could say 3 2 times. Either way works. Rembrandt?
Wait, is it 3 2 times?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so 2 times would be 6.
That's another 6 cents. So how much did his phone call cost? Jackson?
12 cents.
Oh, good. Go ahead and write 12 cents. That's all you need to write is 12 cents right on that line. Here I come to check. 12 cents. 12 cents. Beautiful, come to check.
Wait.
Good. Keep going, keep going. Gotta finish that lesson. I know,
Oops,
but you
wrong
have to
lesson,
realize
wrong
that
lesson.
you don't get enough of that.
On the wrong one.
Next day you start messing up recess.
Wait, where's the
Good, right here, 12 cents. 12 cents. Nice, Jackson, 12 cents.
Which would be no dollars, but 12 cents.
Nice now. All right, who can read me number 2? And I'm so glad Jackson's eraser is at the top of his desk. He is not touching it. Oh, good, and Rembrandt's pencils are so nice. Elena, read me number 2.
Write 58,609 using digits.
Woo, using digits. Okay, 58,609. What does a 58,609 look like? Jackson?
Can I say that again?
58,609.
Okay.
So let's start with the first one. 58,000. What would that look like?
Okay, 5. 8.
And what's that special symbol that tells us 1,000?
You give me hints.
It goes down here. So yeah,
Comet.
comma.
Comma.
Yeah, say 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah, the first time we say 1,000.
Wait, are we doing
So we have 58,000, but now we have 609 left. Ooh, we can't say and.
Oh, wait.
Sandra made a oopsie. We don't say and 9, we just say 609. Because and means that we're talking about a
decimal or a fraction?
yes. And is for a decimal or a fraction. We don't have a decimal or a fraction. We just have 609. So what does a 609 look like, Jackson?
Okay, 609. A 6.
Yes.
A 0. And a 9.
Why do we have a 0 in the tens column? Why do we have a 0 in the tens column? Jackson, you were on fire today. Go for it.
Because we are not using it right.
We're not using it. Say, it's there.
It's there, but we're not using it
We're
right.
not using it. It's like our bathroom. Our bathroom's there.
Playroom.
Or our playroom's there. We have a chair, but
nobody's
no one's
using
using it.
and
Okay, I need some someone to read me number 3. You guys are on a roll today. Let's see. Read me number 3.
Right.
Elena.
$5 and 200
Be mine now.
No.
You're not using it, so do not touch it.
and 63 cents. As you would on a check.
Just write it that way. All right, we have to write it like we would on a check. Whew, that is a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and write it. I want you to carefully copy it down because sometimes spelling our numbers gets a little tricky. Say, that's okay.
That is okay.
That's why we do this.
That's why we do
It's
this.
good practice.
It's good practice.
Okay, so we have 35,000. What do we do to that very first word that we're writing? Elena?
We capitalize
We
it.
capitalize it. Here we go. We have 30. Oh, but wait. That's a number with another number attached to it. I'm not writing a 30 and then writing a 5. What symbol do I need to put in between those two words to show me that? Boom! This is part of the same number. Remember it?
Hyphen.
A hyphen. 30 hyphen. Is it 5? Yeah, 35,000. 35,000. And we can put a comma. We can put a comma if we want.
Wait, where?
Both ways are acceptable. We can put a comma. 35,000. 200. You might need to write really small. If you write bigger than the line, that's okay. Try your very best to make it fit. 200. Do I need to put a hyphen in between a hundredths number and a tenth number?
No.
210 chairs, tables,
No. Dollars.
dollars.
The-
Yes, they're dollars, so we always say it. We must label always and forever. $210. But how do I write the cents? Yeah, but we're not going to write the cents with words. That's the tricky part about a check. We don't write the cents using words. Ben, how do we write using words? Without words.
How much cents is
63.
63 cents. What is what?
The 63 on top. So what number goes on the bottom?
100.
100. Raise your hand if you can tell me, why does 100 always go on the bottom?
100 cents is $1.
Because 100 cents is the same thing as $1. Don't worry about trying to rush. Take your time. It's okay. We're going to take our time.
So if it shows 100, or it already shows dollars right here, so then,
It will. I tell them to write the dollars anyway.
okay.
Yep. Good. I know, that's a big, humongous, long number we
I just
wrote.
wrote on the bottom.
Did you capitalize that first one? I got you. I got you.
My nose just
I
went.
wrote on the
Yes, good. I know sometimes we run out of space and say, that's okay.
That's okay.
Do the
Don't
best
need
we
to
can.
panic.
Just do the best we can.
Yeah, and don't panic.
Don't panic. Okay. On number 4, we have some missing addends that make 100. We have these numbers. These problems. We're going to write them up here. We're going to figure it out. Here you go. Almost there. All right. 13 and how many more make 100? Now wait! 13 is really, really far away from 50. many more make 10?
One over one is 10. 9.
9. So I could say 10 and 90 more, but I don't have 10, I have 13. So if 13 is 3 more than 10, then what is 3 less than 90? 90.
Oh.
90. What's 3 less than 90? Rembrandt?
88.
Oh, it's so close.
87.
87. I love it. Love that confidence. He's like, yeah, I know it.
87.
87. Okay, let's look at the next one. 71 and how many more? Make 100. Well, 70 is kind of far away from 50. But 71 is not far away from what 10's number, Elena? 70. So 70 and how many more make 100? Or I could even say 7 and 10. 7 and what make 10? Rembrandt? 3 or 30. So let's think. Let's keep that 30 in our brain. Keep it in there. Say, stay there, brain.
Stay there.
Stay there, 30. If 71 is 1 more than 70, then what is 1 less than 30? What is the number that comes right before 30? Jackson?
29.
29.
29.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, now our last one. Oh my goodness.
Pick it up.
I'm going to see if you can figure that one out for yourself.
I need to hold it for you, I can't.
Answer. Come up here. You got to think in your brain. When you know the answer, come up here and you can whisper it in my ear. 54 is close to 50. 50 and what make 100? 54 is 4 more than 50. Then what's 4 less than 50? What's 4 less than 50? When you know the answer, come on up. And big kids and books, you can even come on up here too if you know the answer. What's 4 less than 50? Ooh, I wonder who's going to be up here first. I wonder who's going to be up here first. Woo! Nailed it. Close. Wow, there it is. What's 4 less than 50? She's close, she's close. That's 10 less. Woo! Ooh, you're close. I need 4 less, not 1 less. 4 less than 50. She's thinking. Ben, do you know? Come on up here and whisper it, dude. I know.
There's too many.
All right, Jackson, what was it?
46.
46. Isn't that so fun that we get to do that occasionally? Come on up here and whisper the answer to Miss Andrea.
Good place
We
to
like to do
every
that
day.
He's asleep.
All right. Who can read me number 5? Oh, good. Alina standing. Alina, go ahead. I love that. Jumping, that giving back to the universe power. Go ahead and read me number 5. Really loud.
Ebony and Donna will share 15 markers. Draw markers on the children's desks. Which are those squares?
Yep, so you have 3 squares like this. For 3 desks for the 3 children. They have 15 markers, but they have to share them. So the next question says, how many markers will each child receive? Well, I have 15 markers. There are 3 desks. We could say 15 divided by 3, or we could turn it around and say 3, how many times is 15? You can count by 3s. Count by 3s in your head. Stop when you get to 15. markers are each child need to have? Rembrandt.
5.
5. Here
Okay.
we go.
So we're going
5. So we get to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you should also write 5 on that line. Write 5 on that line next to it. If you're not sure which line, I will come around and point and know which line to write 5. Yeah, perfect, right there. Good, 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 good. Jack, so you know which one to write? Perfect, just like that, yes? Use words to write the next number 102 and a half. You know how to write 102 and 1/2. Just with words. I just want you to spell it out. Okay, now, the next part of number 5 says, what fractional part of the markers will each child have? That means we're going to use a fraction. We're going to use a fraction because it says fractional part. So let's think in our brains. We're going to start with our denominators. The denominator, the top number or the bottom number? Rembrandt?
Bottom.
The bottom. Okay, so Rembrandt, what is our denominator?
15.
15. That's how many markers we all had to begin with. Had 15. So what is our numerator? That means how many did each child get? How many did each child get, Jackson?
5.
5. So how do we say this? What fractional part did each of them get? This is a funny one. We don't get to say this fraction very often. Who wants to give it a shot? Elena, give it a shot. How do we say that?
5/15.
5/15. I love that. 5/15. All right, Kay, have a seat. Okay, I'm going to erase really fast. That way you can all see this next one because I've got a little bit more writing to do. Everyone say, wow.
Wow, Mommy.
We are doing this so fast today.
We are doing this so fast today that
We are on fire.
we are fire.
We are like lightning.
We are like lightning.
Oh, come on. We're like lightning. We're like lightning.
We're like lightning.
There, I love that.
We are like rocks
Oh,
in sand.
quicksand.
No.
All right, now, number 6. We have these numbers. We have 500. We have 248. We have 352.
And we have
384
384
and
296.
296. Now, they want us to put it in order from least to greatest. Say, that's math vocabulary.
That's math vocabulary.
They're not talking about size.
They're not talking about size.
They're talking about worth. They're talking about
What?
or value.
Value.
So when we say least, that means the number with the what? Rembrandt?
Small.
Smallest
Value.
value. The number with the smallest value. Not size, not shape, the smallest value. So what number is the smallest value? We have all of these. Which number is the smallest? Which number is the least? Jackson?
This is going to be... Okay. Hold on.
Take your time. You're good. Think it through.
I know.
You can look up here. Which number is the least or has the smallest value?
248.
248. Let's cross that one off because we don't need it anymore.
Wait, where?
What number is the next least? Do you see where to write it? You good? Okay, Rembrandt, what is the next least?
296.
296. Easy as pie. All right, Elena, what is our next number of least value?
352.
352. All right, but we're not done yet.
1, 2.
What number is next in line? We're getting greater in value. What number is next? Remember that?
Get reminded. Files.
384. So what number is the greatest in value? Jackson?
500.
500. That's easy. We know that one. That one's so fun. All right, but we're not done. It says find the sum of the three smallest numbers. Now, are they talking smallest like size? No. Once again, they're talking about worth or value. Now, it had another magical math word in there. It said the sum. What does that word mean? When we hear the word sum, we automatically know that we're going to be doing
Fast.
remember it? Ah! Oh, we're going to add. So here we go. We have 248. We have 296. And we have 352. All right. Are we scared? No. Say bring it on. We eat big numbers for breakfast.
We eat big numbers for breakfast.
All right.
They eat us for breakfast.
What is our trick when we have more than one digit? When we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 12, a million digits, what is our trick? Remember it.
Look for ways to make 10.
Ways to make 10. Are there any ways to make 10? Are there any ways to make 10, remember it?
Yes.
Yes, what are they?
8 and 6. Wait, 8 and 2.
8 and 2. So what is 10 and 6 more? Jackson?
10 is 6 more. 16.
16. I can't fit 2 numbers in a column. What do I do? I can't fit 2 numbers. Jackson? Tell me first and then you can go. We write our
6 and carry our 1.
carry our 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we have 2. There we go. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 5. What do we look for first, Rembrandt?
Nothing. Look for ways to make 10.
Rembrandt, do you see any ways to make 10?
Yes.
What are they?
9 and 1.
9 and 1 make 10. What is 4 and 5 more?
4 and 5.
Elena, what's 4 and 5 more? 4 plus 5. 9. So Elena, what is 9 plus 10?
19.
19, easy. Oh, but I can't put 2 numbers in one column. What do I have to do, Rembrandt?
Put your. Wait, what was
Write my
What was
19.
9 and carry up 1.
All right. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3.
That's easy.
That's easy, he says. Okay, Rembrandt, what is 1 plus 2 plus 2
Put
plus
the
3?
number in here.
We're not doing that.
Well, I know that 2
Oh,
plus
yeah,
1
3.
is 3.
Okay,
And
so
3 plus
5.
3 is
5.
6. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 and 2 more is?
6 and 2 more is 8.
Write that number on that line. 896 is the sum. Please remember, keep these up here if we're not using them. 896. Good job.
Kind of like our headers, but we just switched a number and we took 7.
That's right. Okay, we've only got a few left. We're on a roll. Okay, here we go. Ooh, who remembers what is that symbol? It's not division.
Wait,
It's not division. What is that symbol right there? Rembrandt?
the
that means what number times itself makes 9? 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5, 5, 6 times 6 times 7, 7, 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10, 11 times 11, 12 times 12. What number times itself makes 9? Jackson?
Like 1.
Ooh, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4.
9.
What number makes 9?
8.
If 1 times 1 is 1, then 2 times 2 is 4, then 3 times 3 is...
9.
So what is the square root of 9?
3.
3.
Yeah, what I like here.
So we're going to write 3 right here so we can remember, okay?
I don't know where to write.
You don't? Oh, you don't know where to write 896. Oh, good. Thank you, Miss Billy. Okay, now we know that this part says 3. 3 minus something. Say something. Equals or is the same thing as 6 times 2 times 10. Now, this has more than one symbol. So what do we do first? Always. It never changes. Always do this first. Remember it? Do we multiply or do we subtract?
Multiply!
Always. What is 6 times 2? What is 6 times 2? Jackson?
6 times 2.
Or 6 2 times?
Okay, hold on.
You got by 6s or by 2s? 6.
12.
12. See, that was so easy. Look at that. It popped right out. 12. So what is 12 minus 10?
That's
Or you could even say 10 and how many more make 12?
12 minus 10.
Yeah, it goes both ways. Ben, what is it?
2.
2. So this whole thing is the same thing as 2. So 3 minus what is 2?
Oh.
3 take away how many is 2? Remember it? 1, right? 1 in that box.
Yes.
1. Only 1.
Right here.
Okay, our next one looks like this. I'm going to write it down here so we have a little bit more space. Some number, say some number.
Some number
Plus 10
plus 10
equals 160 divided by
10.
10. All right.
No, the divided.
Okay. Oh, we know that trick. We know that one. That's easy. That's divided by. Elena, what is 160 divided by 10?
16.
It's 16. That's so easy. All we do is take off those zeros. It's just 16. So, oh my goodness, how easy is that? 10 and how many more make 16?
I'm just
10 and how many more make 16, Elena?
6.
6. Write 6 in that box.
Too easy.
Too easy. I know. So we could do math all day.
We can do math every single day and all.
We are so smart. Okay, let's do the next one.
Let's do
Oh, this one. I think you guys are going to know this one in an instant. Are you ready?
Ooh, 3 times
3 times something equals 5 times 3.
I know the time.
Jackson?
Is it? Stay down here, slowly.
Look right here. Do we have a 3?
Yeah.
And a 3?
Yeah.
And a multiplication?
Yes.
And a multiplication?
Yeah.
And a 5? So
5.
it's just 5.
It's a pattern.
What's the matter? It's the same thing.
3 times 5 equals 5 times 3.
Excellent. So, our last one. Whoop, my 8 was a little funny.
Yeah, I know.
Yep, that one turned out a little funny. Silly Miss Andrea. 8 times 3
Equals
something times 4. What is 8 times 3? Or we could say 8 3 times or 3 8 times.
elbows.
We can count by either one, whichever is easier. Remember, what is 8 3 times? Think in your head, count by 8s. 8